today we're going to get into Not Your Mother's Curls Curl Talk line. This is a brand that is sulfate, paraben, silicone free. I'm gonna go ahead and wet my hair and we'll start the shampoo. This is the Curl Talk Curl Care Shampoo, and it says directions. Let's read this. A reading time with Nessa. So the directions say, lather and work into wet hair. Rinse thoroughly. For best results, follow up with Curl Talk 3-in-1 conditioner. Time to use the shampoo. I don't know if that is too much. I'm going to rub this into the scalp of my head. I love the way it smells so far. It smells so good. It smells so fresh. It smells so fresh and not like weird. Now we're going to wash the Curl Care shampoo out of our hair. I have thoroughly washed out the shampoo from my hair. So this here is the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk 3-in-1 conditioner. Distribute generously throughout the damp hair or dry hair. Proceed as desired. Rinse, leave-in, co-wash. I'm going to be generous. Start in the tips of my hair, working it through. This one smells really good too. It has a little bit of a stronger scent. I'm gonna get more. And by the way, if you are on my channel for makeup, this is a Curly Wednesday video. I should have said that in the beginning. On Wednesdays, I will be doing hair videos, and on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, I'll be doing makeup videos. I'm actually gonna get a little bit more, and I'm going to start to detangle my ends. So far, the slip is okay. I feel like I'm getting my tangles out without too much of a problem. At first, it felt a little dry. Maybe it's because I'm not in the shower. I don't know. It feels like there's less slip than my Diva Curl 1 condition. It's not extremely different. It doesn't feel as moisturizing, I guess. Let's go ahead and wash this out. Well, hello. Hello there. I've washed out the conditioner. My face is wet. I don't know how people do this. So I'm going to use these 3 stylers. This is the Curl Talk Defining Cream, and it says lock in moisture, defrizz, and add shine to define your true curls with Rice Curl Complex for all curl types, as I'm pretty sure all the bottles say. Directions. On damp hair. It's wet. On damp hair, apply a small amount evenly from roots to end. I'm not going to put it on my roots. Adding more as needed, air dry, or style as desired. Let's do this. Oh, I'm excited. The consistency reminds me of the Super Cream from Diva Curl. Not as thick. Will I love this? I might love this. I don't know. I actually like to do it like this. That went on the half of my hair. I guess I do have longer hair and I need more product. I'm going to put the same amount on the other side. So I like to actually start from my ends to my roots. I don't want volume to disappear. I do like to make sure the front is coated. I feel like there's a lack of moisture for some reason. I don't feel like my hair feels very moisturized. Now that I look like Cousin It, we're gonna get into scrunching and the mousse. We'll go back to here. I have hair everywhere. This is Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Curl Activating Mousse. It's a hold level 2, which says shake vigorously. Directions, shake vigorously. Oh. Dispense upside down into hands, start at roots and work evenly through curls, style as usual, and blah, blah, blah. Oh, wow. That is mousse. So I guess mousse is supposed to help in the top of the hair, like it says. I'm also going to scrunch my hair. Well, that's, I can put a lot. Sorry, you guys. I feel like I have to do this way. I like this mousse. So I'm just gonna scrunch, 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 scrunch. Since we're here, we're gonna take the gel. This is the Curl Talk Frizz Control Sculpting Gel. I smooth the Curl Talk Sculpting Gel in over my head and then I scrunch. I also want to take it and smooth it over the front, and then I'll scrunch again. Scrunch, 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 scrunch. And that will complete the styling product. Now what I'll do is I'll plop. I've plopped my hair for 15 minutes. I am going to now air dry my hair for a little while, and then I will diffuse the rest. So we'll see each other diffusing after this is a little bit more dry. So this is before my hair. And that completes this look with the Not Your Mother's Curly Talk line. Thanks to Ms. Bianca Renee. You guys, if you should all know, if you're into curly hair, you should all know her channel. She's amazing. She announced this whole line in the sense that the mousse has now become silicone free, and that causes the whole line to be sulfate, silicone, and paraben free, which is so exciting. It's available at Walmart, super affordable. I really love the smell of the products. My hair looks so nice. I am still transitioning into my healthy curly hair journey. Some parts I think are less defined. I feel like I have a lot of volume, so I'm super excited about that. I love the shampoo. I love the shampoo. The conditioner, I think I would have to use a lot of this to be satisfied. It worked fine. It just didn't feel as moisturizing as my Diva Curl conditioner, but it is very affordable, and I'm sure if I use a lot more of it, then it would be fine. Ooh, this defining cream. I love this cream because it does remind me of my favorite hairstyling product, which is the Diva Curl Super Cream. It has that similar consistency, but it's less thick. So I'm excited about this product. The mousse. The mousse. I love the mousse. I think the mousse is fantastic. I'm super excited about this. You know, I'm not really like this, and I think I'm going to be so excited to have this as an affordable foam for my hair because I kind of like foams a lot. The sculpting gel, at first I thought, ew, it's leaving a cast and it's so hard and crunchy and it's weighing my hair down. I didn't like it. But now that I'm looking, after like doing this little like shake through my hair and everything, I feel like it defined really well, and it's gonna keep my curls for a few days. Hopefully, we'll see, we'll find out. So I might actually end up really liking this gel. And yeah, the whole line is pretty good. It's really, really affordable compared to other products that are curly girl method friendly. So if you are looking to start your curly girl journey and have more affordable products, well, these might be your, you know, your things. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel. We have curly hair videos on Wednesdays, but this channel is focused on makeup and eye tutorials, eyeshadow looks and whatnot on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and sometimes, hopefully, on Saturdays. Yeah, that's it. Thank you again for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye. Bye now.